Okay, one more task and then we save the file and we're done. So let's check out the PDF. Draw a rectangle, apply a copper linear gradient. No sweat. Alright. Just for organizational purposes, I'm going to click on layer 1 because I want all my stuff, I want my elephant by itself on layer 2. There's absolutely no reason for this except tragic anal retentiveness on my side. Okay, a lot of graphic designers, a little bit of obsessive compulsive disorder is a good thing sometimes to keep things organized. So anyway, my layer 1 is enabled, so I'm going to be working on layer 1. It says draw a rectangle and apply a linear copper gradient, whatever the heck that is. So let's draw a rectangle. We've done this before. Go to the shape tool, hit the drop down menu, choose the rectangle tool. In this empty space here, just draw yourself a nice rectangle, and it'll use the same stroke and fill settings that you used last time. Again, yes, I know I'm being repetitive. Nothing works unless you see the bounding box. So select the selection tool, the black arrow. Okay, black arrow, select the object so I can see the bounding box. Apply a gradient is what it said. Now this is different than the gradient tool for you advanced users. This is different. Here's what you do. See the bounding box. Go to Windows, Swatch Libraries. Just hover over Swatch Libraries. Hover over Gradients, and then Metals. And yes, I'm intentionally going to something that's buried deep in here because I want you guys to be aware of it. So let me repeat that. Click on Window, Swatch Libraries, Gradients. Where is it? It's here somewhere. There. Gradients, and click on Metals. And this is the palette that comes up. Let me move it over here. Alright, so it said choose a copper linear gradient. Make sure you can see the bounding box. If you hover over these, the ones that go up and down are linear, and the ones that look like a circle are radial. You know, so you apply these like to make spheroid shapes. So it says copper and linear, so where the heck is that? It's right here at the very end. On my palette, you have to like cursor over to read them. So I'll choose that. And there you get this, let me deselect, a very credible cylindrical shape. And maybe later in the semester I'll show you how, if just by putting like some ellipses on the top and bottom of this, it makes a very credible drawing of metal tubing. Okay, so let me close this palette. And again, one of the things I want you to take away from this, just like we did this, I want you to know that those gradients palettes are in there, along with many, many other palettes that you can explore, and I just want you to be aware of where they are. Now all we have to do is save the file, go File, Save, and upload this file, the AI file, to me. And congratulations, you completed the exercise.